Hi. So how do you keep yourself hydrated? Buy yourself a large water bottle. Yes, and keep it with you all the time. Depending on the weather, you can add hot water to it or cold water to it. But the idea is to keep it with you all the time. And add to it what you like to drink. Depending on your likeliness, you add warm water or teas or coffees, or you can add lime water to it. Well, the idea is anything that you like to drink. And remember, next time when you're invited at someone's place, don't be shy to take out that thermos out of your bag, because it's more important to stay hydrated. Because hydration helps staying alert.